We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly.